Yo, so let me full screen this right quick. There we go. All right, so this is why I only take high probability setups. So I'm gonna show you how you can, double, triple your money every day almost. You know what I mean? So look, I'm just gonna pick any pair, don't even matter. I'm gonna go to the M15, M1, M15, it don't matter. All right. But I'm just gonna go to the M15 because it's just now. Look at the probabilities. I only trade overbought, oversold for a reason. Now, if you trade overbought, oversold in the same trend direction, then you're gonna have a lot more success. If you counter trend trade, you're still gonna have success, but you're gonna have more success trading with the trend. Now, look at this. Let me grab a vertical line. Some of you already know what I'm about to do. Some of y'all already know, but I'm just gonna make it this color right here. Boom. All right, so let's look at probabilities. All right, we got a pretty much overbought, oversold level. It don't got to be exactly right there, but it could be as close as possible for me to do what I need to do. All right, so if you look at here, the stochastic pretty much touched the very top, and we look at the drop. That's 1W. All right, that's 1W already. Okay, now if you want to move over, you can see here, same thing. Look at this. Boom, boom. They line right up. Simultaneous. This is why when I walk up to my computer, I could just find a pair and I'm like, okay, this is the one to get in. All right. Now it can go both ways. All right. That was kind of ugly. Let me remove that one. But you can see it. Look at this. And you go straight down. And where you at? Right here. Boom. All right. But you see why on this is a downtrend because the candles are below the 200. But you see why that don't work all the time on counter trend? It's because you didn't get that up right here because it's counter trend trading. You're going against the trend. You feel what I'm saying? So, but we can rest assured that the ones that are going with the trend, like this here, you're still getting that drop just like you supposed to. All right. And what about here? Let's go straight up. Did we get the drop? Absolutely. So this is why, y'all. This is why I do this every day. I walk up to my computer and I say, yo, what's overbought? What's oversold? What is the trend? And how can I get in and where at? You know what I mean? So just any pair, don't even matter. This one's getting up there. So from here, I can see, okay, we getting close right here. Hold on. We're getting close. The stochastic is getting close here. So that means I'm expecting the market to turn around, right? On the M15. So I then mark up zones. I see a zone right here that I didn't mark up. This is like a zone. Not that straight of a line, but it's cool. So I'm expecting a bounce here, which it pretty much already did. If the market continues to go up on the M15, it's going to the next zone. All right, which would be right here. Or it'll turn around before then. So now that I have my basis, I'm saying, okay, I'm looking for sales. Then what I want to do from here, I can remove, hold on, let me remove these first. Then I want to go to the M5 because I know the M15 overbought. So now I know we want to sell. Now I go to the M5, check it out. I'm like, okay. So, let me move this out the way. So I'm going to take 2 sales at 1 minute. Now, if this does not go, all right, then I am going to raise because I forgot I'm on a 5 minute. So I usually don't do 1 minute trades on a 5 minute chart. If this does not go, then I'm just going to raise this up to 4 minutes and then I'm going to start doing 4 minute trades. All right. So if I ever place trades on a 5 minute based off the 5 minute, I'm going to do 4 minute trades. And then if I go to the 1 minute, I'm going to do 1 to 2, 3 minute trades, depending. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I base my stuff off of. Now, look, I know we had potential to continue to go up based off what I saw over here, what I marked up, the extra zone. This kind of looks a little unfulfilled, so it may go ahead and want to connect again. This trade here is not going to go. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go 4, and then I'm going to sell. Well, I'm gonna wait. The reason why I'm gonna wait because it looks like it wants to connect. Once it connects again, then I'll sell again. All right, and this is the kind of the patience that you gotta have. Sometimes now, if it doesn't connect, and it looks like it wants to come back down, then I'll sell again. But right now, we look like we vibing. All right, so let me go here so I can delete this. Boom. Okay. Now, while this trade is waiting, it's cooking. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna unsave some of these other ones that I done already got in earlier today. I'm looking at that one. I'm gonna come over here. Now I'm gonna go back to the M15 right quick and see if any other trade is overbought or oversold. So we're gonna start with Apple. See, I already missed that one. Look at that. Ooh. One thing I want to tell y'all, if you ever see on the M1, if you ever see this, like right here, let me show you how the stochastic is just waiting up there for a very long time. If you ever see that on the M1 or whatever time frame, that means the higher time frame is trying to get to a certain point. So, for instance, look at the stochastic here on the M15, right? And then let me go up to like the H1 and let's see where the H1 is. Now you see where the H1 is? All right. The H4 is not trying to get there. So it was the H1 that was trying to get there. So if you ever see the stochastic like on the M15 or the M1, that's just, it's not dropping. It just continues to go up like this here. And it just continues to shoot up like this. That means the higher time frame above this one is trying to get to this overbought level, if that makes sense. So that means that the M30 or the H1 was trying to hit that mark. So we see the M30 hit it, but it's still going. That means that H1 was the one that was going to be the one to sell off on, if that makes sense. Hopefully I ain't confusing y'all. But let me go back to Intel right quick. See what we looking like on that M5 again. Yep, so I low-key missed my trade, but I'm just going to load up on this one because I feel like we're already headed in that direction. And the reason why I believe that is because here we did not connect again. All right. So now that we're getting that push under this zone right here, now that we're getting that push under the zone, I feel like it wants to continue down until the zigzag forms again. And then, we may head back up. All right. So this is market structure. You see that? Boom, up, and then may come down again, may a little further down and go back up. So that's what we're looking for. All right. So that's how I be, confident in entering my trades. Now, does it always work like that? Yeah, it could if you do regular forex pairs, but OTC, they like to do what they like to do on there. But normally on regular forex pairs, it's all good. But y'all see I missed my entry though, because I should have got in again when I seen turning around, but I was on a different pair. But it's all good. We waited out. But this is definitely a go. I can already tell by looking at it. But it's all about patience. You see how I didn't jump in immediately after the other one, even though I probably could have made money jumping in when I thought, but I waited. And, we're going to do what we got to do. You feel me? I ain't worried about this. It's going to go. Now let me go to my next one. Let's go to Facebook. Boeing. This one got some more room to go down because it want to connect. It didn't already went down too far. You see how this drop ain't no zigzag form yet? Yeah, it definitely want to drop again. Look like we lighting back up over here. So that must mean we must be getting close to the money. Ooh, look at that. What I told you. Confidence, baby. But this is why I only take these setups, y'all. Overbought, oversold setups, the best setups ever. All right. Now let's take a peek at it on the ooh, look at that entry. Nasty. See, it would have been better up here though. That's where I should have got in, but it's all good. Still winning. Still winning. Still winning. But yeah, this one definitely wants to come down and connect. Anytime you get that strong push off the zigzag, it definitely want to come down and connect to the other one. But it ain't doing it yet, so it's gonna continue to push until it do it. But yeah, that's why literally, that's why I only trade overbought, oversold levels on like the M15, M5. Sometimes on the M1, but like I said, you can get faked out a lot on the M1. So you want to go to the higher time frames to market stuff up, and then take the entries on the lower time frame. So again, if I'm doing 5 minute based off a 5 minute trade, I'm doing 4 minutes. All right, because usually when I do the 4 entry rule on 4 minutes, it's straight butter. What I mean by that is that majority of the time you're not gonna go no, I don't know, you ain't gonna go no 20 minutes. I mean, I ain't saying it ain't gonna happen, but most of the time you ain't gonna go 20 minutes without it not going in your direction. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm looking like. But yeah, y'all see it in y'all face. Walking y'all through it. Easy money. And this is what we do. All right. 20 seconds left. Still gonna push and get this money, y'all. Ah, what a beautiful trade. What a beautiful setup. As it rolls out, we're gonna watch it over here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run me that paper. This is what we do. You feel me? Hey. All right. So again, anytime you see that stochastic on that M15 way up there, man, all butter. Let's see if we can find any more. See, that one was pretty low too, which they already start going up, so we didn't want that one. Bingo. Ooh. All right, now look. Let me back up. Let me see where we at. Yep, see, that's why I went to the left. Top of this zone, potential where it could hit. So I need to at least grab one of these. I'm gonna put it up here, but I need to change that color to like this, just to make it brighter so I can see it. So that's a potential. If it continues to go up, that's where we want to go to. Let me move this out the way. All right. But for the most part, we expecting to sell. Now, I've been up here for quite some time, like I told you, the stochastic. Kind of what I told you. So that must mean what? That H1 or the M30 is trying to get to the top because it's been up there too long. So let me go see something. Yep, that M30 already up there too long, so that must be the H1. H1 been up there long, so it must be the H4. Yeah, there we go. Bingo. The H4 been trying to get up there. That's what's been going on over here. See the H4 trying to push up there? That's why I've been going up so long. But look at the H4. Boom, boom, boom. So that sell is dry. It's coming. I'm just gonna do 2 on a 4-minute sale. And then if it don't, we're gonna do 4 entry rule from here. And that's how we're gonna rock. But again, majority of these should go on the 4 entry rule. So I get myself at least down to like, I say 2 minutes on this one. If it don't go, then I'm gonna hop in again. Or I might wait because it may want to push up and hit this zone right here. But yeah, if I think it's gonna take longer, I might do a longer time. And that's just what it is. But this is why I only take these setups. So now y'all can see when you ever see the stochastic cutting up like this, and it's just at the top, and it's like, oh, that trend is your friend though. I'm just trying to catch the end of the trend and catch the reversal. But you could essentially wait till you get a pullback here, buy again, pull back, buy again, pull back, buy again. We do that too. But I'm trying to catch that reversal that's gonna go ahead and break through and come down. So that's what I'm looking for. Cause it's just like the stochastic is letting you know that, hey, we've been going up too long and it's time to go ahead and turn around. And so that's what we're waiting on. And usually that second entry got to be bigger than the first so you can make some money. Because if it's the same, you're just going to break even. So my stuff be a little higher on the next one. So it's looking like it's pushing and wanting to connect because that candle's getting bigger. If it doesn't connect, then I might hop in again, depending on if it don't want to turn around. But now it's starting to retrace a little bit, so we're going to see. So I'm just going to sit still. I ain't going to place no more trades until it decide they want to push up again. Because right now, okay, now it's pushing up again. Sorry. We're going to wait to that zigzag connect because I think it want to go ahead and push to this, purplish pink line right here. And then we'll hop in on the next set of trades. And that's the patience game, y'all. This is what it's all about. It's what it's all about, patience. If you do your stuff like this, I'm telling you, you'll have a whole lot more success when it comes to this day trading. This is just from years of experience, y'all. Trial and error for real. But yeah, if you need a one-on-one, man, I got, one-on-ones. I got, group chat, all that stuff, man. So get on the team. Oh, we were tracing pretty hard, aren't we? Let me go look at the M1 and see what it's trying to do. Oh, I still feel like he want to go up, though. On the M1, at least, and connect before I hop in again. Because that rejection crazy, though. Reject right off this zone. You can see it. But I still feel like he want to go up and connect. Because even the M1 need to connect on the zigzag. You see that? Boom. You need another zigzag this way. And sell off again. You know what I'm saying? That's what we waiting on. But it ain't trying to get it to you, boy. So, there we go. Go ahead and push up. Once I get that zigzag connect, it's over. If it want to do it, we going to see. Oh, snap. Hold on. Remove that. I'll be having to switch back and forward. Here we go. It's a beautiful uptrend, I ain't going to lie. Like, if you got in on that uptrend early, ooh, nice. But it's getting ready to end here in a minute. All right, y'all. I'm about to pause because I'm at 17 minutes and I don't want this to be too long. So I'm going to pause, and then when this make this move, I'm going to come back. All right, y'all. It's looking like it's wanting to head down. So we're going to hop in on a good 4-minute trade. Try to catch him on the way down because that's what it's looking like he want to do. Looking like it ain't trying to push up no more. So based off this here, this rejection, it's looking like he want to head down some more. Connect again, and maybe head back up later. So this is what we're looking at. Easy money. You see what I'm saying? I try to tell y'all, bro, the best setups, it's going to always come from your overbought, oversold levels. If you stick to that, your chances of winning, your percentages will go up. You can get this easy money. Yeah. I got faked out a couple times like this before, though, y'all. Hold on, let me hit that draw tool. Boop. I got faked out a couple times like this. Like I'm getting faked out right now. Sometimes I get in on the sell thinking that because it'll retrace hard and I'm thinking about turning around. Then I get played. But if that's the case, 1, 2, 3, 4, how many did I lose so far? Hold on, let me move off this so I can show you how much I got cooked so far. I got 1, 2, so it's 200. And if I lose these, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so I mean I gotta do $1,000 trade. But this is my second entry, right? Yeah. We might be good though. Let me see. Yeah, so I had to pause and come on back. It was just taking forever. But yeah, it's still playing around in this area, but y'all see the drop is happening. I see the drop is coming. So it's looking like I ain't gonna have to take no more entries, which is good. Told y'all usually by that second entry you should be good, but if not, then you know, unless they decide they want to try to play me at the end, which it look like they about to try to. 5, 4, 3. Yeah, we good. Easy money. Get my paper. Same rules apply, baby. Yeah. All right. So sometimes it takes a little bit of time, but you know, that's what it is, y'all. So again, y'all can see the market finally about to turn around. You know, starting to finally turn around. So I can actually get in on more trades, but I'm not, because it's got a long way to go. It got to have at least a nice, decent pullback, at least to about, let me move this down, at least to about right in here somewhere, or this zone right here. At least pulling back to at least about right here. So what that look like on the M1? Yeah, so if we're going to pull back, it's going to at least come somewhere down here later on. You know what I mean? Hit this zone right here, then hit this zone, and hit this zone, and then come down here. Y'all see? Now it's finally going to connect. And that's what it is. Now, boom, look at that. High probability setups. This is how we make money every day. All right? So hopefully this video helped you. You know, you could check out the results. Whoops. Check out the results, baby. You know, what a time to be alive. This was a great day today. You feel me? Not too many losses. We're getting dubs. What a great day today. You feel me? And this can be you, and it will be you if you just stick to your rules. I stopped switching up my strategies now, man, and just got to stick to what's working and not do nothing else. You know what I mean? Because I get into the habit of switching up everything all the time. And I said, nah, let me just stick to one thing and master that. And that's what I be doing. So, yeah, that's what I do, y'all. You know what I mean? M15, mark it up, look for that overbought, oversold, come down to the M5 or the M1, depending on where you want to enter your trades at, and get it in. All right. Hopefully, if y'all got any questions, write them down below, and I'll try to make videos on whatever questions y'all got to make it, you know, a little easier for y'all to understand. But you might have to watch this video a couple times to get what I'm saying. But eventually you'll get it, and then shoot, you're gonna be profitable too. Let's get it. I'll let y'all, Lord willing, another video. Peace.